Hi Katie, how are you? What did you do today? I am not fine. Today, lot of rain in Kolkata. There was hardly any food. So suddenly, I found a fish in my neighbor's kitchen. I pounced over it. Oh, it is really great. Did you meet in your girlfriend? Yes, I met Patty. She is quite happy. She is going to marry me within 1 week. Are you staying in someone's house? I will stay in the house of Momojita. Momojita is a girl who is a digital marketing manager. She smells really bad. She doesn't use deodorant. She is ruining the future of the company with her wrong online marketing strategy. She's really sad. I will scold her. I am the online marketing expert in that Meow company. Who is the boss? I have heard that Mr. Meow is the boss. He doesn't give increment to the employees at the right time. The employees are leaving his team. You are right. The website Cat Homework does not get any visitors. There are lots of problem. I don't know when it will be solved. I will start an e-commerce website. Can you help me in promotion? I have heard you can promote website properly. I will help you get visitors through on-page and off-page SEO. In on-page SEO, I will help you get the maximum visitors. I will post ads and promote ads in social bookmark and picture sharing sites. I will promote your website in social media like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Please do that for me. I will name that website meow.com.